Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Savrambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian Christ the King parish in Tetere organized a 4-day Bosco youth camp from 19 to 22nd September involving over 200 young people gathered for Christian and human formation. The theme of the event was inspired by the Rector Major's 2024 Strena and Pope Francis's message to the young people of Oceania during his recent visit to Papua New Guinea. The Bosco program included moments of prayer, interaction, culture and leisure, as well as 4 sessions on important issues concerning young people, the dangers of addiction, cultivating potential, building self-esteem and establishing life goals, the challenges of faith for modern young people, the second coming of Christ as our eternal hope. Father Gregorio Bicomong, SDB, Superior of the Salesian Vice Province of Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands, PGS, together with other Salesians, held these sessions, offering valuable insights to young people. The Festival of Strength 2024, Festival Moki in Polish, an event organized by the Congregation of St. Michael the Archangel and the Salesians of Don Bosco, took place in Mixe Pastoe from 20th to 22nd of September. Since the evening of 20th September, young people from all over Poland, including almost 200 young people from the Salesian family, have gathered to celebrate together. Father Christoph CSMA Vicar General and Father Franciszek Jangya SDB, Delegate for Youth Ministry in the Salesian Province of Krakow PLS, welcomed and greeted the participants. During the days, the young people were able to attend many conferences, testimonies, concerts, games and above all, moments of recollection and prayer. Several guests, musical groups and contemporary TikTok stars were invited to the event led by Marta Surnik. The Bosco race, Boski Bake in Polish, took place on Saturday, 21st September. On Tuesday, 24th September 2024, the Regional Councillor for America South Cone, Father Gabriel Romero, began the extraordinary visitation to the Salesian St. Alfonso's Liguri province of Campo Grande, Brazil, arriving at the São João's house, the administrative headquarters of the province. The following day, Father Romero presided at the opening mass with morning prayer, again at the provincial house, and officially inaugurated the visitation program. He then met with the provincial economer, Father Irondi Timandar. On the same morning, the regional councillor participated in a moment of interaction with the collaborators at the provincial office and then held talks with sectors. He spoke with Father Elior Ignacio and later with Father Adir da Silva, provincial delegates for vocational youth ministry and missionary animation. The Salesian province of Chennai organized a timely refresher course on spiritual direction as part of its commitment to ongoing formation. Held from September 23rd to 27, 2024 at the Don Bosco Skill Mission campus in Bangalore, the program brought together 28 spiritual directors. Facilitated by the Don Bosco Renewal Center, Bangalore, the course aimed to deepen the understanding and practice of spiritual direction among the Salesians. Reverend Father Joe Manath, SDB, a seasoned and highly respected spiritual director, launched the sessions with a profound reminder. The essential quality for any spiritual director is to love. He emphasized that spiritual direction is not a skill that can be acquired through seminars or books, but one that grows through lived experience. Those who have walked the path of spiritual direction often become the most effective guides themselves. The sending mass for the 155th Salesian Missionary Expedition was celebrated on Sunday, 29 September, presided over by the Vicar of the Rector Major, Father Stefano Motlogio. As per tradition, the Eucharist was celebrated in the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Valdoco, Turin, the same place where on 11 November 1875, Don Bosco himself addressed his farewell and missionary recommendations to the first ones departing, led by Father John Cagliario. The missionary cross was received by 27 Salesians in this 155th expedition, together with some daughters of Mary Help of Christians from the 147th FMA missionary expedition and various lay volunteers from the community of the mission of Don Bosco, CBM. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.